welcome back to another video. So here is another Apple product that we're going to unbox, the true powerhouse, the Mac Studio. By the way, my name's Awais. So I've been waiting for this baby to come out to use for my video editing. The MacBook Air is for casual use, but I'm going to see which one I'm going to keep. This is a really powerful computer. This is supercharged by M2 Max, and you can also get an M2 Ultra, and it's got amazing I/O port. The packaging is completely different. I haven't seen this before. So on this side you have the booklet, on this side where you got the Mac Mini. Oh wow, it's like opening a, I don't know, some sort of futuristic. Oh wow, this reminds me of the HomePod. So we've got a power cable that goes straight into the Mac and to the wall outlet. We don't have the massive inverter, which I'm glad, because those things were heavy and you needed extra space. I don't think we have anything else in here. This is it. It's like a transformer. There you go. Nicely wrapped. It's just a massive chunk of aluminium. From the top, it probably looks like a Mac Mini, but this thing is fat as hell. I mean, look at that. You got the back. So in the front, we have two USB-C or two Thunderbolt 4, and you've got one SDXC slot here. You've got a power light in the front to indicate that it's powered on. On the back, we have four Thunderbolt 4 ports, one 10 gigabit in Ethernet. You've got two USB-A, one HDMI, and one 3.5 headphone jack. You've got the power button here, and of course you've got the main power connection cable going here. Right at the bottom, you've got nice ventilation. It's raised, so the heat is coming out from here. Usually the problem with desktop computers are they're either in the back, which usually gets blocked by a wall, but this one will sit and dispense all the heat from the bottom. So it should be more efficient and a lot cooler. And then you've got the rubber at the bottom. And I love how this Mac Studio is engraved. But not so portable. I mean, you can take this. It weighs quite a lot. Not as heavy as some other Macs. But yeah, surely you can take it, connect it at work, connect it at your studio, bring it back home, wherever you want, as long as you have the connection set up with the monitors and the mouse and keyboard. And then you're basically just carrying this. I don't think it's any heavier than a MacBook Pro. So without further ado, let's end this video. I'll post another video after using this for a while, see how I get on, see what it's like to use this powerhouse. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.